Hey guys, today I have an unboxing of the John Elliot Escobar Sweatpants for women. So, let's get right into it. I already went ahead and took this wrapping off of them, but still have the tags and everything. So, John Elliot Women's Escobar Sweatpants from the main line. Honestly, one of the reasons I made this video is because I haven't seen anyone make videos of these pants on YouTube for women. So I just sort of wanted to maybe get a perspective of that. Again, you know, a lot of us are staying at home because of the pandemic, working from home. So, you know, nice pair of sweatpants to wear, never a bad idea. So let's go through some of the detailing on these, just sort of a quick overview. So one of the reasons that drew me to these pants were the re-zippers on the back. I thought it was really interesting detail, and so they open up, and I thought that was a really cool touch to like sweatpants that I've never seen before. So there's that, and then of course you have the same thing on the other side. On this pant there's a lot of like nice detailing on it, like as you can see these really nice like defined lines on the sweatpants, and even on the back of the sweatpants you have these sort of like fine detailings on them. And the tag just says John Elliot, and then you have, you know, your drawstrings, and you have these really deep pockets. Like these are really thick, deep pockets that you have. And on the back you have another zipper. Opens up. It's really nice. Like these are really nice quality. They normally retail for, I think, let's see what it says. These retail for like $2.50. I didn't pay $2.50 for them. I got them half off, so still pretty expensive for a pair of sweatpants, but a good deal for John Elliot. So yeah, these are the sweatpants I got. I'll let you know how I like them. I haven't worn them yet, obviously. I just got them in the mail, and you know, I'm staying home a lot, so it's probably gonna be just me sort of walking around the house wearing these, but you know, they feel really nice, and I'm excited to like wear them. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, this is the women's Escobar sweatpant, and yeah, really happy to have these in my collection. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.